Alright guys, today's tip of Woolly Bees is going to be cleaning your open feeder and a subsequent benefit. I'm going to pour some water in here and see if the same thing happens as it did yesterday when I poured sugar water in here. So let's give it a try. Yesterday, after pouring sugar water in, I see one. I had a slew of hive beetles come crawling up on top of the pool noodles. There's one. There's one. See them? I have another video. At the time of filming this, it's not been released. Look at all these hive beetles. About a globe feeder type trap that's hanging in a tree that attracts them. It attracted some. Like I said, I haven't released that video, and I'll probably release this one before I release that one. But I'll put a link in the description. Look at all these hive beetles. Need to start smashing them before they decide to take off and fly. Look at all these hive beetles. What better trap could you, what better trap could you get than let your sugar water feeder run dry? Like I said, this other thing's been hanging out maybe 2 weeks, and I think probably there was 15, 20 hive beetles in it. This is just overnight from yesterday, because I filled this up yesterday and they came boiling out to the top, and I sit here and did the exact same thing as I'm doing now, just pinching them. But today, as you can see, this thing is nasty. It's got mold all over it. I try to clean it twice a week. And that's today's tip, is you need to clean your pool noodles and your open feeder. I mean, look at these things. They're everywhere. And I don't have very many hive beetles in the hives, but obviously I got plenty of them around me. Because these girls and boys, since I got a great supply of them, I need to get with Jay Hasselschwartz, my state inspector, and should have listened to him when he was trying to tell me how to sex a hive beetle. At the time I didn't care. All I want to do is kill them. Kill that yellow jacket while I'm at it, because it is yellow jacket season. But that is my quick tip of the day. Not only clean your tote feeder, but kill the hive beetles before you do it. So I poured like 2.5 gallons of water in here just to get them to come up on the pool noodles so I could show you how bad they are. It's simple to clean. Get back to that important piece of information. You can either run bleach water in it and let it sit and soak. I have a scrub brush for the kitchen that I stole, don't tell why. And I put Dawn dishwashing liquid, a grease cutter, in there and just scrub the crap out of it. And then I have a Brillo pad type scrubber that I scrub the box with. But I give these a good scrubbing with that brush. Hey, you tried flying away and I caught you in midair. But yeah, you can sit here and kill these things for God knows how long. Of course, we're about 100 yards away from the hives, so I guess I'd say I'm attracting them here. I was attracting them, and I don't know if it's this or if this is a pollen feeder right here. It's just a hive body with bottom board, 8 frame deep, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's a bunch in that corner, but I've been killing hive beetles in pollen sub. I don't know if the pollen sub is what's attracting them and they're going in here instead of into the pollen sub now, because I was killing them in the pollen sub until I started feeding again. Well, that's the tip. Keep everything clean, kill the hive beetles. You guys have a great day.